Welcome to AyaansMath. The question is given: if a plus 1 by bc equal to 1 by 5, comma, b plus 1 by ac is minus 1 by 15, comma, c plus 1 by ab is equal to 1 by 3, then you have to find c minus b by c minus c. So here, those who are new to this channel, so subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Your subscription is very, very important. This is a new channel. So here, if you take the first one, a plus 1 by bc is equal to 1 by 5. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. If any logic you may get to do this problem. So here, if you take LCM, abc plus 1 by BC is equal to 1 by 5. ABC plus 1 is equal to BC by 5. Now if you take the second one, B plus 1 by AC is equal to minus 1 by 15. ABC plus 1 by AC is equal to minus 1 by 15. So ABC plus 1 is equal to minus AC by 15. Now if you take the third one, C plus 1 by AB is equal to 1 by 3. So ABC plus 1 by AB is equal to 1 by 3. ABC plus 1 is equal to AB by 3. So here all the LHS are same. LHS are same. You can write RHS equal BC by 5 equal to minus AC by 15 is equal to AB by 3. So if you take the first two, BC by first two, BC by minus AC is equal to 5 by 15. So here CC get cancel. B by A is equal to minus 1 by 3. You can write A by B is equal to minus 3. So if you take the second one, these two, minus AC by AB is equal to 15 by 3. So AA get cancelled. Okay, C by B, right, plus C by B is equal to minus 5. Now here you want to show that C by B, okay, dividing by B, C by B, B by B, 1. So C by B minus A by B. So minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus of minus 3, minus 6 by minus 5 plus 3, minus 6 by minus 2. So the value is 3. So C by B by C by A value is 3. So thank you for watching our AyaansMath Olympiad. Okay.